January 19, Matthew 12:46 to 13:23. Verse 46. But while yet he was speaking to the crowds, behold, his mother and his brethren were standing without, seeking to him to speak. 47. Then said one to him, Behold, your mother and brethren without are standing, seeking to you to speak. 48. But he answering said to him who spoke to him, Who is my mother, and who are my brethren? 49. And stretching out hand to his disciples, he said, Behold, my mother and my brethren. 50. For whoever shall do the will of my Father, who is in the heavens, he, my brother and sister and mother, is. Chapter 13, 1. And in that day, having gone forth, Jesus from the house sat down by the sea. 2. And were gathered together to him crowds great, so that he into the ship, having entered, sat down, and all the crowd on the shore stood. 3. And he spoke to them many things in parables, saying, Behold, went out the sower to sow. 14. And as he sowed, some fell by the way, and came the birds, and devoured them. 5. And some fell upon the rocky places, where they had not earth much, and immediately sprang up because of not having depth of earth. 6. And the sun having risen, they were scorched, and because of not having root were dried up. 7. And some fell upon the thorns, and grew up the thorns, and choked them. 8. And some fell upon the ground, the good, and yielded fruit, one 100, another 60, another 30. 9. He that has ears to hear, let him hear. 10. And having come to him, the disciples said to him, Why in parables speak you to them? 11. And he answering said to them, Because to you it has been given to know the mysteries of the kingdom of the heavens, but to them it has not been given. 12. Whoever has shall be given to him, and he shall be in abundance. But whoever has not, even what he has shall be taken away from him. 13. Because of this, in parables to them I speak, because seeing they see not, and hearing they hear not, nor do they understand. 14. And is filled up in them the prophecy of Isaiah, which says, In hearing you shall hear, and in no wise understand, and seeing you shall see, and in no wise perceive. 15. For has grown fat the heart of this people, and with the ears heavily they have heard, and their eyes they have closed, lest they should see with the eyes, and with the ears they should hear, and with the heart they should understand, and should be converted, and I should heal them. 16. But of you, blessed are the eyes, because they see, and the ears of you, because they hear. 17. For verily I say to you, that many prophets and righteous men desired to see what you see, and not saw, and to hear what you hear, and heard not. 18. You therefore hear the parable of the sower. 19. When anyone hears the word of the kingdom, and not it understands, comes the wicked one, and catches away that which was sown in his heart. This is he who by the way was sown. 20. And he who upon the rocky places was sown, this is he who the word hears, and immediately with joy receives it. 21. No has but root in himself, but temporary is, But having risen tribulation or persecution on account of the word, immediately he is offended. 22. And he who among the thorns was sown, this is he who the word hears, and the care of this life and the deceit of riches choke the word, and unfruitful it becomes. 23. But he who on the ground the good was sown, this is he who the word hears and understands, who indeed brings forth fruit, and produces one 100, another 60, another 30.